Hawaii Fido service dogs, and it's their first feeding. First one to find the food and say yum. Blue. Here's the other guys. They smell it. And coming towards it. Oh, look at Jack. That's okay. We'll just rinse them when they're done.
This one got in there?
Not yet. Will they wear more than they eat? This is their first day outside at 3 weeks old.